Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install your Cacti network monitor tools. So you can also install this Cacti network monitor tool in your Fedora workstations, CentOS, and also you can install its Redhat Linux, and you can install in Oracle Linux also, and Cloud Linux also. You can install the same method, the same procedure you need to follow. That I'm going to show every step and every command you can find below to my video in the description box. So that's this is my website is www.cloudnetwork.in is my website. So now I'm going to first of all tell you what is Cacti tool. Nothing but is going to monitor your network tool from your web-based access. That means going to access from URL. Just need to give your IP address and you need to give /2 Cacti. So from there you need to enter with the user and password. After that you can monitor this to like you can monitor CPU utilization and bandwidth utilizations, disk space, running process, host IP address, host connected host systems, which one. So you can all those configuration and you can monitor your users and try the network you can configure and you can maintain. So this is your Cacti requirement package. Is nothing but first of all I'm going to install and download Apache, then MySQL, then PHP. In the PHP I'm going to also install SNMP, and that's after that's net SNMP. I'm going to also install this one RDADB tools, that is your managing your network bandwidth. So this is the packages I'm going to download and install one, and I will show you this all this method procedure. First of all I'm going to install the Cacti requirement packages. What are the packages I need to install? These packages also you can install in CentOS, Fedora, Linux also. First of all, this is the website is cacti.net is a website. There you can download and search everything whatever you want to your documentation. Also you can search there. The next one is I'm going to first of all install the Apache. First of all, this is a command to install the Apache. After that I'm going to install the MySQL. This is a command to install the MySQL. And the third one is I'm going to install this Mara database. That is option. This one you can either install MySQL or Mara database. So this is a command to install Mara database. After that I'm going to install the PHP. So this is a command to install PHP. So now let us begin this for installation and I will show you. Let us begin now. So my friends, this is the website of this Cacti.net is there. So you can see on search, you can go to the download page is there. Just click on this page, you will be direct to download page where you can download, and so you can see what you can monitor, what are the things that there you can find here. Currently I'm using my CentOS Linux server core 7 is a version, and this support for 64-bit. So let us begin now. First of all I'm going to install the packages. So for that installing package you need to type we need to log in here. First of all I'm going to log in with the root. It's better to use root here, and I'm going to install first of all yum, type install and type httpd space httpd. Need to give a underscore DL level, and after that so just need to press enter here and we need to wait here. So you need to continue here, just type yes to download 5.8 MB. Now that has been downloaded and installed. Now we are going to install the MySQL package. For that one you need to type yum install, then give a space, that time MySQL, then give space MySQL, then you need to type -server to press enter. So just press yes for the continue downloading and installing this package. Size is 9.7 MB. Now that has been downloaded and installed completed. So now we'll move to my own database. I'm going to install it. For that one you need to type just yum install. I'm going to install in Mara database. So type MARIADB, give a space hyphen, this is your server. Oh, give -y and to press enter. So now it's going to be downloaded and installed. In package is showing that download size is 12 MB and installing is 59 MB. You should have a space at least 59 MB. So going to download installing. Now that has been also downloaded. We have been download and install 3 packages, that is uh, Apache, MySQL and Mino database. So now let us begin with another one. The fourth one is there. Now we are going to install the PHP. For that you need to type yum install give PHP. Please remember, this is I am going to download and installing PHP. Type MySQL PHP, give hyphen p up here and give space PHP, give hyphen common when common, give space PHP hyphen. This is a package also is going to be downloaded JD for the PHP of package. These are the package of PHP. So PHP hyphen durable. After that is PHP again, and you need to give space PHP and then give hyphen mv string, then PHP hyphen CLY. Press enter. So these are the packages and we're going to download. Press Y to continue. Now that has been downloaded and installed completed. We move to the next steps. So after that, the fifth one is I'm going to install PHP SNMP. Then this is the command to install SNMP. After that, I'm going to install net SNMP. This is the command to install. Then I'm going to install RRD tool. So this is the command. And eighth one is starting Apache MySQL SNMP services. So this is the command. Whether you can type service http start or systemctl start http service also. Same whether you can type any to any one command to start the MySQL and SNMP HTTP command. After that, so ninth one is configuring startup links. So for that one, this is a command to start up the links. So here I am going to download the SNMP. For that one, type yum install. You need to type PHP hyphen SNMP. So that press enter. So that has been downloaded, so completed. We move to the next one. Then install type net hyphen SNMP give hyphen utils net hyphen SNMP hyphen press enter. That's also the download install has been completed. Then we move to the RRD and type yum install RRD tool, press enter. Yes, RRD tool also download install completed. We'll move to the service restart. Type service httpd and press start. Yeah, it's going to be restarted. Or also you can type system ctl also and give a start httpd type hyphen service, press enter. The same, both are same command. Maybe sometimes in your Fedora or Linux it will not work, so you can use anyone here. So just remove your http and type here mysqld, press enter. So just type MySQL, remove the D, so you need to type something. I'm going to start the service of SNMPD start. That's okay. I'm going to creating the startup configuration file. For that one /sd check config, then with hyphen level 3345. That's 345 is the service level for startup httpd to on the service. Okay, so that has been forwarded. Now we'll move to the next one. Is same command, just remove the httpd and inside that one type mara, oh not sorry, my sqld. So either you can use MySQL or Mara database. So here I'm going to start in the Mara database. Like the simple command is to start this Mara database in place of MySQL. And I'm going to add the script of this one. Just remove the MySQL here. Type Mara. Okay. You need to type the press enter. So that has been added. Just remove Mara database. Type SNMPD, press enter. So these are the startup links configuration we have been added, HTTPD and Mara database and SNMPD3 we have been added. So let us move to the next one. So now here how to enable your EPEL repository in your Red Hat Linux 6 or CentOS 7 server. You can do I'm using CentOS 7. You can also do this one, this EPEL repository in your Fedora or also Linux, Cloud Linux, and you can use your Oracle Linux also. The same method, the same procedure need to follow. For startup, first of all, I'm going to enable the EPEL repository in your this one. So first of all, we need to download this one with the Redhat is the command to download here, and after that we need to enable in this EPEL repository, and then we verify whether EPEL is installed or not. Then this is a command to repo list, then use EPEL repo. Then this is to check the zipic is a package name that is going to be checked, the zipic. And then after that, so I'm going to install the zipic package with this one. Then we'll move to this EPEL configuration file is located under the /m/etc/m/reposd EPEL.repository. So now let us begin. First of all, downloading Redhat. Need to type httpd //deal.fedora and project.org and / so just type / and then you need to type pub /EPEL/7 is your Red Hat Linux server or Cloud Linux, whichever you're using, just give. And this one is a /x is nothing but x86 and you to give _64. That means this is my 64-bit I'm using. If you are 32-bit using, just remove this one and just give a / like this. So I'm given 64-bit, that is my OS 64-bit flash, and /EPEL-RELS release, give -7.5. it's a version .norach.rpm. so after giving this command, so just press enter. So in my system Redhat is not installed, so I'm going to install Redhat. First of all, yum install, type Redhat, press enter. So just press yes. So that has been downloaded, installed it. Redhat will move to the our command for that one. Yeah, press enter. It's connecting, responding, no. So that has been downloaded, your EPEL repository. Now we'll move to the next one. Type rpm -iv-hat and type EPEL repository. Press enter. Press a tab to get a full command. This one. So that has been also complete. Now when we are going to check yum repo list, it's going to checking repo list, repository list. So you can see a repository ID is showing, repository name CentOS 7 base, extra packages showing stretches. Okay, so now we'll move to the next step, yum. So give a space hyphen 2 times enable style repo, give z to EPEL and give space info Zabbix ZABBIX, press enter. That means going to show your information about this Zabbix is available or not there. So it's showing it's not available. I am going to install this one. Press above key. Let us clear this one first of all. Yes, here just to go to information and type install this one. So here you need to check your press enter here. So that's going to be installed and download this Zabbix package from the repository. So wait here, it's better, you see that has been also Zabbix downloaded and install completed. So now we'll move to the next step. Our next step is I'm going to install this Cacti. So this is a command to install this Cacti, and after that's configuring MySQL server for the Cacti installation, setup MySQL password. So I'm going to set up in the password for the MySQL, and then this is a command to set the password. Your password is here, means you need to give your password here for the MySQL root. So after that is here you need to create MySQL Cacti database. So this is the command to create is 21 step to 25. So let us begin now. Just clear this one. We'll going to install in the Cacti here yum install CTI. Press enter. Let's check. Yes, now that has been installed. I'm giving the password for MySQL from MySQL and give a space -u and type a root, and you need to give a space -p. Press enter. So enter the password for the MySQL. So that's it. Let us set the password for the MySQL. First of all, type MySQL admin and give -u root password and give your password. So this I'm setting the password for the MySQL. So just type press enter, and please remember for the new installation of MySQL is going to be set the password for this one. After that type the password 123 which we have given. Now we have been logging into the Myra database, which is you can see on screen, and I'm going to create a, first of all type create a like I'm going to database. Okay, Cacti semicolon close, press enter. So that has been created query. Okay, you can see now I'm going to give the permissions to this Cacti. So for that one you need to type grant space all on Cacti dot give star. Okay, no, sorry, give small letters CACTI dot star. Okay, to Cacti at local host. Okay, after that you need to give a space identified by cloud network is my website which I am giving. Okay, then give a bracket comma. Okay, this one close bracket, and you need to give close this one. So here you need to give a close bracket. Okay, press enter. So that query has been created. Now we're going to type flush privileges plus that's incorrect. Quit it. Okay, now I'm going to set it to configuring MySQL setting for the Cacti. So that you can see on screen installing Cacti IP tables for the MySQL. First of all, I'm going to run this Cacti creating tables for this MySQL. So this is step 26, 27 is for creating tables. Then 14th one is steps 28 is to edit this Cacti configuration file. In that one we are going to make sure these values are reflected to your database slash your host user password. The database type MySQL. That means we need to edit this configuration file database.php. In that one we need to set Cacti localhost MySQL Cacti again and your password here. Exactly the same should be here. So and I'm going to show you this 14th one and step 13th one. So after that I'm going to configure the firewall for the Cacti. Then this is a command where I'm going to add the firewall UDP port number and TCP port number, both I am going to add it. Then after that we're going to install the service IP tables. Then we're going to edit the last configuration file for the Cacti. In that one I'm going to configure for the Apache server. In that one we need to just give the IP address here. So you can see on the screen 192.168.0, that is my 101 is my system IP address. There in place of this IP address you can give your network IP address. Subnet marks also you can get, subnetting IP address also you can give your local house also you can give, LAN for the purpose LAN also you can give any IP address for only one user or for the whole network you can give your IP address, just replace with my IP address. After that you need to type and save this one. So in latest version Apache you need to change the following settings also, that if you need to set this required or granted we need to set in the latest Apache. Now I am going to type rpm -ql, then type Cacti, then give a bracket grapt, then Cacti, then .sql. Press enter. The small mistake I have made here, it's place grapt I have typed into type gript. So you can see this is the location. Please remember this, the location of this /user/local.cacti. In that one this is a .sql is a configuration file for this. So what we have to do is we need to type MySQL here and give a space -u and need to type Cacti here again and -p. So after that you need to with the continuation command just type Cacti again space Cacti and give a getter symbol /user/share/doc, then Cacti, press tab, you get a command Cacti. Okay, now after that you need to give a same command Cacti. Okay, after that press enter. So enter the password for this MySQL. Okay, permission denied for using this password, yes. Now just type this command and press enter. We need to give the password during the see, you can see that has been line table d5 already exit, so that's working. The previously command of this one which we have given the password for the MySQL -u Cacti -p _/user share docs. In that one we have given the setting for the instructions. For the Cacti password we have given in the grant all on our Cacti to Cacti at localhost. So previously command in the database MySQL we have been setting. In that one we have created the password for the Cacti. So here we need to enter. Now I am going to edit here one more file, type nano here or VIE edit also you can type /etc/Cacti and type db php, and after that you need to just press enter here. Maybe nano it will not work, you need to type here VI. Okay, so just scroll down here. So here what you have to do is check MySQL is exactly correct. Okay, Cacti also is there, yeah, localhost is there, yeah, here is your Cacti user. Okay, Cacti user, so this one is your password. You can see on Cacti user is the password. I am reviewing Cacti user to, so please remember this is your password which I am scrolling here. You can see username Cacti user and Cacti password is a Cacti password. If you want to change, just edit the file and you can remove the Cacti user and set your password on, and then quit this file. And we are going to have a, now we are going to start the firewall here. Like type we need to start the firewall here. Type firewall cmd, or give hyphen cmd space hyphen permanent into type here. Okay, give space hyphen zone is equal to public, and give space hyphen add services which we are adding, like this one, services httpd. This is a service, press enter. That has been added. Type firewall hyphen cmd space hyphen reload. Let's reload it. Now we need to edit one more file, vi/etc/httpd config.d, type Cacti here. Yeah, press enter this one. Just scroll down, and here you can see required all host. So you can see Apache, I have been having latest version of 2.4. so here we need to change your required localhost, means that only access your localhost only, that going to access only one computer. If you want to access the whole, means just remove this your localhost and you need to type here grant all access. So my friend, here please remember, if you want to give a required for all granted access, means just remove this localhost and type here required all granted. After that, you want to assign the IP address, just remove the localhost, just assign your IP address. Like you want to assign subnet whole LAN network, you can give your whole LAN network IP address, single IP address also you can give. After that, just remove your localhost and give your IP address here, and in place of required localhost you need to give your grant access here. Just that's it. After that, you need to save this file and exit here. So after that, we are going to restart this HTTP service. Type httpd restart. Okay, that's it, restarting. Or this command this is a command also, you can restart by typing. Both commands are same to restart your services. Okay, now we are going to move the last and the final command to edit your Cacti file. So type vi, clear this one, vi, type /etc. The setting, we are setting the cron on the like cron on Cacti D. Okay, and then type yeah, cron d /Cacti Cacti. Okay, press enter. So in place of your hash, just remove this hash. Yeah, remove this hash and just save this file. Quit. Okay, that's it. After that, this is finally I have been restart the HTTP services, plus I have been uncomment the line of Polar PHP run script that will run every 5 minutes and collect the data of host which is used by Cacti application display graphic. So this is the command which you can see on screen. I have been uncomment. The final, the last one is for the Cacti is to ready, and going to launch start this by typing IP address /Cacti with the username of Cacti admin. The password is admin by default. So let us begin.